Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks so much for joining me. So I'm still working on the Wanderlust journal, but the ideas that I'm using here you can use in any journal and using any papers. So in the previous video, if you've not seen, made these embellishments. I went ahead and made extras after the video had finished. Okay, so today I want to make a couple of little notebooks. So the first one, we're going to use the file folder, which is part of the collection. If you're not using the collection, you can make a file folder easy. This measures, I think this 7¼ okay, and then I scored it at 3½ which makes the front slightly larger than the back. You can make a little tab, either cut it by hand, use a tab board or a punch board or whatever, okay, but we've got this little file folder. So we want to measure the shortest distance, which is 3¼ okay, so 3¼ and 3¼ is 6½, so I want my paper at 6½. So I've got just a few sheets of coffee dyed. These are actually misprints. So 6½. Okay. 6½ by, what's the height? 6½. These are 5. Just over the, yeah, they're 5. So I'm going to cut it to about 4¾ 4¾ Oh, so easy. I think I'm going to round those corners if my corner punch will allow me. I might not do them all at once. Oh, it has. Round the corners, just so it looks a little bit neater. Okay, and then all you need to do is fold them in half. I'm just doing 3. Put one inside the other, like so. Give it a good squeeze. All right, and then open the first page, open the second, and we're just going to do, in fact I'll do it from the back, do it from the start, from the back. So from the back there, I'm going to put a thin bead of glue on the next to the back page, put it back in, line it up, and glue that one to the back page. Okay, so that's them 2 pages glued together, and then we'll just do a little bit of glue on that one. You're just tacking it really, okay, and that's all I need to do. I don't really need to glue anymore because those 2 will hold it all in position. And then I'm just going to glue the, I'll glue all of the back here. Glue all of the back here. And attach it to my mini file folder. Just a little bit away from the fold. And that's given me a little mini notebook. Nice and easy, okay? Nice and easy, just a few little extra pages. Okay, just fold those back a bit where they've glued. Doesn't matter, you can still write on them. Okay, perfect. That's one really quick and easy way. Doesn't get any easier than that. So you've automatically got a little mini notebook. So let's do another one. Okay, so let's make another little notebook folder. So I've just got a piece of cardstock here. It's just random, I'll measure it in a minute. That'll be about thick enough, so I'll measure that piece for you. So this measures 7. I don't know if I want it 7. I quite like them a bit smaller, so I'm just going to do it to 5, I think. Yep. Do it to 5. I'm going to save that bit because I can do something with that. And again, I'm going to round my corners. And I'm going to grab some paper. How am I doing this one? Let me think. So this one, I think I might do a fold out. Let's do a little fold out. So I'm going to cut 2 sheets, 2, so I've cut it to 5. So I'm going to cut these 2 sheets to 4 3/4. And 3/4. I'm going to glue them together with just a little strip of glue, like so, to make one long piece. Okay. So these are just leftover scraps or misprints. It doesn't matter, I can write on the back of there. All right, and then I'm just going to assess how wide I want it. So I want it about there. I'm just going to fold that piece over. Line it up so that it comes just a little bit inside, and then I'm going to concertina it. I think I'm going to concertina it the other way. I'm going to fold that bit back, and then I'm just going to use the edge of here, and I'm going to concertina. Okay. Backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Doesn't get any easier. Okay. And then this bit here, I will just fold it on there for a guideline, and I'll cut it off. Just cut that bit off. Leave that to one side. And then this back piece here, just need to give this an ink because it's only printed on one side. And I'm going to, again, just glue the back. Getting a bit bunged up here. Glue the back. Nice and simple. Glue that back page to there. Oh, it's grown. Hold on. Let me just refold it. We'll get the back piece in. I'm just going to refold it slightly. Okay. So that it fits. I just need to refold it a little bit. There we go. Just adjusting my fold so that it fits because I'm just a little bit off. But it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. Why is that not fitting? It should fit. Let's move that in a bit. That one needs to be in. I'll move that one back a bit. Okay. That's because I don't measure anything. I just cut it by eye because I'm a little bit of a lazy crafter. You can measure it all, but you get the idea. Okay, it's just a little concertina fold. Okay. Now it all fits. Maybe I should have measured it a bit better. And then when you open it, you can open that page and it will all concertina out that way, and it will concertina that way. So you've got both ways, okay? And then will this fit around? I don't think that will fit all the way around. No, it won't. So let's grab a piece of this one, and we will make a little belly band. Let's do, I'll do 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Trim the ends off. Let's see how much we need. Just wrap it around. Trim it there. Wrap it around. Give that a bit of a glow. Okay. And then if you followed me making the little embellishments, we can stick one of those on. Okay. So that's notebook idea number 2. Quick and easy, super simple. Just need to make sure that that's straight, else it'll bug me. Alright, so then you can slip that off, and you've got the little concertina. You can use plain paper. Okay, I'm just using misprints. I'm using what I've got. I'm not wasting. Okay, slip that in there. Get in. Okay, so that's 2. And for the third one, let's have a look. I've got this. So let's see what we've got, what I've already cut, and use these pieces. All right. So what we can do is alternate these. Alternate. Okay, and then where this is a bit longer, I'm just going to cut it off. I'm just using the leftovers. I'm not bothered if it's not cut tighter, so I'll layer that on there, layer that on there, and I've got these. I can layer that under, and I've got myself a little scrappy notebook. Maybe make them different lengths. Okay, so I've got my little papers there. I'm going to turn that one over. That's better. Got my little scrappy papers. Maybe we could have another one there. Okay. Don't even need to use your trimmer. You can just use the side of your ruler like that. Okay. Let's make that one a bit shorter so we can see that ledger underneath. There we go. Okie dokie. So we've got quite a few little bits of notepaper there. Alright, and let's measure it. Okay, so this measures 3 1/4. Alright, so let's get a piece of scrap card left over from making my embellishments. I'm going to cut it to 3 1/4. I'm going to cut it just slightly over 3 1/4. Okay, and then what do I want either side? 1 1/2. 1 1/2 each side, so I'm going to do 3. Yeah. Score it at 1 1/2, or you could just fold it in half. And then, like we did before, we can take a little, that's nowhere near straight, Amanda. I'll just do it by eye and fold it straight that way and recrease it. Little punch to punch off the corners for a bit of interest, and we can just get our little papers, get them lined up. I'm going to put that over the top. Okay, and then I'm going to get my whose name's escaped, stapler. Staple it all. Okay, And over the top, you could maybe add one of those. That looks cute, actually. Yeah. But I think rather than doing that, I think I'm going to just add a little small embellishment rather than use up all of my fancy ones. Let's have a look. What does that look like? I do like that. There we go, that'll do. Little flower on there. Little flower. Okay. And you can write on there, right on there, right on there. And you've got 3 little notebooks that can slide inside your little pockets. Okay. Awesome. Just using leftovers. Okay. Bits and bobs. Go and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.